Well, Tom, I want you to come in here because, as KR was just mentioning, C3 can really help its customers aggregate a lot of data, but the AI hype cycle has kind of quickly moved on from traditional use cases like aggregation of data into a desire for new products that can come from generative AI. So I'm curious, from your perspective, what is the path for C3.AI to become a generative AI play, and how long do you anticipate that taking?
Well, I think we're well beyond the AI hype cycle, and now we're in the AI implementation cycle at massive scale. And one of the largest applications of AI is to optimize the global grid infrastructure, and the grid would be the largest, most complex machine ever built. And so we could use AI to deliver cleaner, more reliable, safer energy into the hands of more satisfied customers at lower environmental impact. That being said, kind of globally, the people who operate the grid are kind of failing due to policy decisions, and the availability of power is becoming critical in Europe and in North America. So where we have the kind of work that KR is doing with these fuel cells, now we have tens of thousands of fuel cells are part of this grid infrastructure, and to optimize that infrastructure, we need to apply AI.
Complex, volatile, and intriguing, C3.AI Incorporated has sparked intense interest and debate among investors and analysts. Founded in 2009 by the visionary Thomas Siebel, C3.AI is at the forefront of enterprise artificial intelligence software. The company's mission is to revolutionize how businesses harness data through artificial intelligence-driven products and services. However, the stock's recent performance has been a roller coaster. The upcoming earnings report is highly anticipated, with hopes that it will finally break the stock out of its prolonged stagnation and ignite upward momentum. Given the stakes, does C3.AI stock have what it takes to reward its investors with substantial gains, or will it remain stuck in this technical quagmire?
Tom Siebel joining us right now. He is the CEO over at C3.AI. And Tom, this was a good quarter all around. The forecast also looked good. Still a lot of questions going forward about the sustainability of some of these gains we've seen in that revenue growth.
Hello, Romain.
And how do you sustain that, Tom?
Well, this transition into this AI market is not an ephemeral event. This is a secular change in application software, and AI is going to permeate everything we do across the enterprise. And so I think we sustain that growth simply by growing into this kind of unprecedented demand for AI software applications.
At the heart of C3.AI's offerings is the C3.AI Suite. This powerful platform enables companies to develop, deploy, and manage large-scale artificial intelligence applications, predictive analytics, and Internet of Things solutions. The technology is deployed across critical sectors such as manufacturing, energy, healthcare, and finance, driving operational efficiency and strategic insights. C3.AI's role in the artificial intelligence and data analytics sectors is pivotal. They provide cutting-edge tools that empower businesses to turn vast amounts of data into actionable intelligence. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape industries, C3.AI's innovations are crucial for companies aiming to stay ahead in an increasingly competitive landscape. The company is expecting earnings per share of negative 0.30 and revenue projected at $84.40 million. Despite the negative earnings per share, C3.AI has consistently beaten revenue expectations for the last 12 months, albeit marginally by 3% or less in 3 out of the last 4 quarters. This quarter marks a significant milestone, with revenue anticipated to hit the $80 million mark, up from the 70s. This indicates a positive trend that analysts are optimistic about. In recent updates, Oppenheimer has raised its price target for C3.AI from perform to outperform as of November 21st, 2023, according to Finviz. Similarly, Wedbush upgraded its rating from neutral to outperform on June 1st, 2023, setting a price objective of $50. However, on the same day, D.A. Davidson downgraded the stock from buy to neutral with a price target of $30. The stock has shown notable volatility, fluctuating 7.77% over the last 5 trades and 27.18% over the last 30 trades. Since the beginning of the year, the stock's performance has been a roller coaster. Over the past 6 months, the share price has decreased by 11.58%, and it has dropped by 12.78% in the last 3 months alone. Currently, AI stock trades at margins of 11.9%, 2.78%, and negative 5.32% from the 20-day, 50-day, and 200-day simple moving averages, respectively. C3.AI operates in the technology sector, and its stock is trading 46.39% below its 52-week high, yet 29.51% above its 52-week low. This high and low comparison over 52 weeks helps provide a clearer picture of the stock's potential direction. The company's weighted alpha stands at negative 18.24, indicating it has underperformed over the past year. On the profitability front, C3.AI's operating margin is a staggering negative 104.36%, with a profit margin of negative 91.67%. Despite these negative margins, the company boasts a gross margin of 58.86%. The profit margin, an efficiency measure comparing net income to sales, indicates that the higher this number, the more profitable the company is. C3.AI's market capitalization reached $2.93 billion in the last trading session, which was on May 24, 2024. Market capitalization represents the total value of all outstanding shares and serves as a measure of the company's market value. The stock's forward price-to-earnings ratio, calculated using predicted earnings for the next financial year, and an effective price-to-sales ratio of 10.79 reflects the market's valuation of its sales. On the other hand, the price-to-book ratio is 3.56, comparing the market value of the stock to its book value.
Co-selling really starts with the relationships that we have on our mutual teams. My team and the C3.AI team partnering together, identifying key customers that we want to sell into, and engaging in working opportunities with our collective teams. Global national security and defense is a main key area and vertical for us in public sector this year. Many federal executives and I work hand in hand with them to make sure that we are partnering together for C3.AI growth. So we'll focus on that vertical along with a few others and focus on Gen AI, and we'll leverage defense system integrators to scale together for C3.AI and AWS.
Many investors and traders prefer to invest in shares held by a company's management. This is because management-led companies are more likely to act in the best interests of their shareholders. The AWS C3.AI partnership strategically combines its strengths to foster innovation and digital transformation in the public sector. It aims to leverage Amazon Web Services infrastructure and C3.AI's expertise to deliver impactful solutions tailored for government agencies. Currently, 13.58% of C3.AI shares are owned by insiders, with financial institutions holding 40.72%. Recently, several insider trades have taken place at C3.AI. On December 26, 2023, Juho Parkkinen, the Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer, sold 407 shares at $28.80 each, totaling $11,722. Just a few days earlier, on December 20th, Parkkinen sold another 685 shares at $32.16 each, amounting to $22,030. Additionally, on December 18th, Edward Y. Abo, the Chief Technology Officer, sold a substantial 45,548 shares for $1.4 million at $30.73 per share. These insider trades provide a glimpse into the actions of those closest to the company. They can signal confidence or concern about the company's future. As we explore the intricate dynamics of C3.AI's performance and outlook, did the company's recent upgrades and partnerships and volatile stock performance pave the way for a breakthrough? Or was it poised to remain entrenched in its challenges? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you may also like our hand-picked, action-packed newsletter about AI and tech stocks such as Palantir. Subscribe now at wiseinvesting.com. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest market trends and investment insights. Additionally, if you want to know more about C3.AI, just click the video right here. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time, stay curious, stay awesome, and keep investing.